Hello everyone, today we discuss about top 5 best drone, mostly people's for using them for best quality of video, and some people used for professional and personal use. Almost all of these are 4K video supported. Number 5. DJI Phantom 4 Pro V 2.0 Mini Drone Phantom 4. The drone comes equipped with a 3-axis motorized gimbal and a 1-inch 20MP CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter that eliminates rolling shutter distortion flight performance. A maximum flight time of 30 minutes ensures you'll have plenty of time to get the perfect shot. The DJI Go 4 app even calculates the remaining flight time automatically. Other features. It offers intelligent flight modes such as tap fly, active track, draw mode, gesture mode, and more. 5.5-inch 1080p LCD screen built into the optional remote controller in the box. Phantom 4 X1, Remote Controller X1, Intelligent Flight Battery X1, Charger X1, Power Cable X1, Propellers X4, Gimbal Clamp X1, MicroSD Card X1, Micro USB Cable X1, Case X1 DJI. Every idea, every revolution that changes our world starts with a vision. DJI offers creative people the tools they need to bring their ideas to life. Number 4. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is best drone with 4x zoom, and its video resolution is very high, so it's unbeatable drone. Let's walk to some features. Powered by a 0.3-inch 12MP sensor with up to 4x zoom, including a 2x optical zoom, 24-48mm. For the Mavic 2 Zoom camera drone is all about dynamic perspectives. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 miles per hour max speed, 905 g takeoff weight, 3-axis gimbal for steady shots, 8 GB internal storage, South Dakota card support, up to 128 GB functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos, dolly zoom. The standard remote controller offers up to 135 minutes of battery life on a full charge. Use with the DJI Go 4 app on your smartphone. What you get. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom, Intelligent Flight Battery, Gimbal Protector, Remote Controller, 3x Propellers, Pair, Battery Charger, Power Cable, Communication Cable, USB 3.0 Type-C, USB Adapter, Spare Control Sticks, Pair, RC Cable, Lightning Connector, RC Cable, Standard Micro USB Connector, RC Cable, USB Type-C Connector. DJI Go 4 app requires iOS 10.0.2, Android 5.0 or above. Number 3. DJI Mavic Mini. DJI Mavic Mini is one of the best drone ever in cheap price. You can easily use it and carry that drone, and this is one of the best mini drone. Some people use it for professional use and some are used for personal. Features. Weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones. Gimbal camera. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear ultra-smooth footage. Remote controller. A dedicated remote controller maintains an HD video feed at a distance of up to 2 kilometers. Detachable control sticks can be stored inside the remote controller for added portability. Fly app. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots. It even has flight tutorial to help you get started quickly and safely. Number 2. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Mavic 2 Pro with Hasselblad camera. Mavic 2 Pro comes equipped with the Hasselblad L1D20C camera, helping users to capture gorgeous 20-megapixel aerial shots in stunning color detail. 1-inch CMOS sensor. The brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor has an active sensing area, allowing better performance in low-light environments, with an extensive ISO range. Max ISO lifted from 3200 to 12800. HDR video with 4K 10-bit HDR support. The Mavic 2 Pro can be plugged into a 4K TV with HLG and will immediately play back footage with the right color tones. Adjustable aperture. The f2.8 f11 adjustable aperture delivers outstanding image quality, both in high and low light environments. f2.8 in low light environment, f11 in well lit environment. DJI every idea, every revolution that changes our world starts with a vision. DJI offers creative people the tools they need to bring their ideas to life. Still image size is 4000 x 3000. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2. This is one of the best drone ever in $1,000. I am always recommended that use DJI drone that always best for professional and personal use. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Next level content. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K 60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. Improved flight. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Intelligent tracking. Mavic Air 2 features intuitive shooting functions that make aerial photography easier than ever. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Active Track 3.0 keeps subject centered. POI 3.0 tracks moving subjects like people and vehicles. App compatibility. The DJI Fly app requires iOS v10.0, Android v6.0, or above. Thanks for watching video, please make sure like, share, subscribe, and comment below the comments section. Thank you.